Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is Memorial Day and I was inspired to use a vintage recipe, and I'm going to be using this cookbook. It is the Complete Holiday Cookbook. I believe it's from the 1960s or 70s. I'm not 100% sure, but I know it's at least from the 1970s because the previous owner, she would write the date. For example, here it says April 30th, 1970. So I guess when she tried certain recipes, she would write the date. So I know it's at least from 1970. But anyhow, I was inspired to do this Memorial Day picnic. And the recipe is oven fried chicken, deviled eggs, as well as potato salad. But instead of the potato salad, I'm actually going to do mashed potatoes. I'm also going to do green beans and a chocolate cake. So it has the recipes on this side. I'm gonna follow the oven fried chicken recipe, but as far as my deviled eggs, I already have a recipe for that, as well as for my cake. But for the oven fried chicken, it calls for a half a cup of dry breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and it says 1 broiler fryer chicken cut into 8 pieces, but I'm just gonna use 8 legs. And it also calls for 1/4 cup of corn oil. So it says to combine the crumbs, the salt, the paprika, and the pepper, and then you brush each piece of chicken with corn oil, roll in crumb mixture, place chicken skin side up in shallow baking pan, bake at 425 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until chicken is tender. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on everything, and I will come back to show you guys how it turned out. But this picture looked really appetizing, so yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing today, and I hope you guys are having a great Memorial Day, and I'll be back. Guys, so this is how everything turned out. Here are my deviled eggs. This is my oven fried chicken. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. We have green beans, mashed potatoes, and then we have our chocolate cake. So that is our Memorial Day spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, happy Memorial Day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.